Hey guys, it's your best boy Nelson. Guess what? Today I'm going to senior sunrise mall at 6 o'clock at Cypher High School, and my friend Andy is going to our arcades this afternoon before we see him in Blue's Clues. So, anyways, I'll be singing Yo Gabba Gabba Rain Song by Muno and Foofa from Weather episode. So let's sing. Shall we start singing? Let's sing! The clouds are moving in. It's getting really dark. The rain is falling down on me again. The clouds are moving in. It's getting really dark. The rain is falling down on me. Oh, the rain keeps falling all around. 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 I got an umbrella and I'm playing about the rise. And it's playing with my ball. Oh, everything's on the rain. The moon out, there's all the flying symbols, it's on the train. Hey everybody, it's my train, hey? How is it ready? How's it good? What rain come down?
I'm doing great! I love to play in the rain. It's so much fun!
The rain is coming down, there's water from the sky.
So Christmas clean
again.
I love
The rain, the rain is coming down, there's water from the sky. So Christmas clean again. The rain keeps falling all around. The rain keeps falling all around. The rain keeps falling over rain. The rain keeps falling over rain.
Let's go ask the plants what they think of the rain. Yeah! Hey everyone, it's raining!
The rain is coming down, fresh water from the sky. The love the rain. The rain is coming down, fresh water from the sky. So keep me coming down. I love the rain is falling all around. The rain keeps falling all around. The rain keeps falling all around. The rain keeps falling all around. Thanks for listening. I watched the old Gabba Gabba weather episode. Also, when I'm back from senior sunrise at 6 a.m. and when my friend Andy is back from Chuck E. Cheese or Maggie Ben, I'll read Super Martian Robot Girl, the Yeti before Blue's Clues.